It is September Ixton, unta E, and I'm in Coon Rapids making videos of BNSF Trains. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. That's the end of the Tron. But they don't put cabooses on Trons anymore, those fucking bastards. I remember when they used to put the cabooses on the Trons. That was back in the days before I had a camcorder. But in the early days, like in the 1980s, they were big, bulky pieces of shit, and they were fucking expensive. And prior to that, in the 70s, all they had was film cameras. And there was usually no audio with it. Even rich people would get the film cameras, and there would be no audio with it. I mean, you would have to be very rich to have the audio with it. That's because people back in the 1970s did not know how to mix audio and video. I mean, we had tape recorders and we had film. But people were too fucking stupid to know how to put things together. With that in mind, people get to see my videos are the chosen people, even if they don't like it. And if people don't like my videos, fuck them. They're not my old friends anyway. It's the cool people like my videos. And as Jawtooth would say, that Tron was booking. Yeah, it was. Every Tron so far has been fast. And every Tron has come, he said has come from that direction. But there was a Tron that came from that direction as I got here, and that was a Tron that actually had JB Hunt cars that rhyme with cunt. And I'm the only person who talks about that. But this Tron did not have it. I missed that Tron, unfortunately. It was here just as I got here.